Hello, today I will show you how to connect Claude with WordPress using Novamira. So first of all, you need to understand what is Novamira. Novamira is a free WordPress plugin that connects any AI agent with WordPress. So today we will connect Claude Desktop with Novamira. So first of all, we need to download Novamira, install and activate it on our site. So let me install. I already download it. So let me install. You can download it from Novamira AI. Okay, install now. Activate. Okay, the next step is to enable AI abilities in Novamira. So now we will enable. Go to the Novamira configuration. Enable. Save setting. The next step is to generate an application password. Click on application password and generate application password. Okay. The next step is to add the configuration to Claude Desktop. So now we will go to the fourth step and you can see connect your AI client. So go this and click on manual. Sorry, first you have to select your AI client. Like in my case, um, this is Claude Desktop. In your case, it may be Chat GPT, Claude AI, Claude Code, whatever. So in my case, Claude Desktop. Okay, and click on manual configuration to Claude Desktop. Click on this one and copy this part. Under the MCP server, copy the Novamira and this option, copy it and open your Claude. So I already opened my Claude. Click on the bottom left side profile icon. Click on settings. Then click on developers and click on edit configuration. Okay, you will see Claude Desktop configuration.json. Open it. And under the MCP server you can see there is the brackets, so paste it here, the code is here, place it and save it, and then close down your Claude. And then reopen Claude again. Okay, then click again on the bottom left profile icon, click on setting again, click on developer. And you can see now it is connected. So now ask Claude. Can you have access to my WordPress? Okay, I ask Claude that do you have access to my WordPress site? Yes, it is have the access. WordPress connector series Novamira. Link to this chat. Allow. Okay, so this is how we can connect Claude with WordPress. So in the next video we will talk about that how to create a simple page in Bricks Builder using Novamira. So in the next video, we will create a page with Claude Desktop just with a simple prompt. Thank you.